Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to show or hide Brave Violet button in Windows 11 or 10 PC. In case you want to remove this one Violet button from Brave browser on Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner and select settings in the drop down menu. In Brave settings, select this one appearance in the left sidebar. On the right, under toolbar, scroll down to find this one show Brave Wallet button. By default, this remains enabled on Brave browser. To hide this one Wallet button, just turn off this one toggle that says show Brave button Wallet. This will hide Wallet from the Edge toolbar on Windows PC.